Did you know that running updates can solve 99.9% of all computer issues? Before we get into the announcements, we're going to show you how to check for and run updates on your laptops. Today during advisory, we are asking everyone, including teachers, to please follow along with this video and check for updates on your laptops. This way, you will be able to focus on your classwork, not getting frustrated with technology. Let's begin.
The easiest way to do this is to do a manual check. Click the Windows icon located at the bottom of your screen, and then click the Settings icon that looks like a gear. Scroll to the bottom left side of the new window and click Windows Update. This might take a few seconds.
If you see updates listed, click the blue Install link. The updates should start downloading immediately and could take several minutes depending on how many you need. Even if it says you are up to date, click Check for Updates one more time just to be sure there aren't any hidden ones waiting. This happens a lot, so you should always check just in case. You may also see a Restart Required notification. If you see this, then you must restart your computer. Please note that simply closing the screen is not the same as restarting the computer.
Some of these updates are big. Running them can take a lot of time and may require multiple restarts. Make it a habit to leave your laptop powered on, plugged in, and connected to Wi-Fi overnight so it can handle those restarts while you sleep.
It is important to check for and run updates on your computer weekly to make sure your computer is running as intended, and during advisory is a great time to do it. Teachers, don't forget that you should be updating your laptop as well.